Hey guys, welcome. And in today's video we're gonna be installing the Windows 11 in a laptop. Basically in this case I have a new SSD installed in my laptop. Basically if you know that the new SSD when you purchase from whether it's online or from the store, it's going to be like clean. There is no pre-installed Windows in it. So basically this video I have will guide you step by step on how to install Windows 11 onto the SSD storage. This also works on replaced hard disks, the internal hard disk. If you're gonna just swap it, or any laptops that does not have pre-installed Windows. When you purchase a laptop also and it doesn't have Windows, this method also works. So before we proceed step by step, you need to have in advance one USB minimum 8 GB USB stick to use that as a, you can say, bootable USB drive to install the Windows 11 in your new laptop or replaced SSD/hard disk. You also need someone else's laptop. If your one is just having a new SSD hard disk or a new laptop, you need to use someone else's laptop to download this you can say installer and have the bootable USB ready. Okay, so get those things first and then you can proceed with the step-by-step guide that I have shown over here. Well, that's it for the step-by-step of Windows 11 installation. At the end, if you see, it's just as soon as the Windows 11 starting page begins, I just cut it off to the end to show you the Windows 11 preview. And because in that middle process, just sign in, connect to Wi-Fi and all this stuff, which I think it's manageable by you guys. But the previous step are more important to not, have some issues regarding the Windows 11 installation, right? So if you do found this step-by-step video, guidance helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel, because not only I do such videos, this ones are quite rare. I mostly do product reviews and give out, do news basically for unreleased or yet to be released products. So if you are also into that, you know what to do. And well, that's it for now. Catch you guys in the next one.